David here, Rossianata, Electrical Solutions, here with an explicit how the fuck to do an outlet. This is the shit right here. You don't want to get all fucked up, all right? So you look at this wire here and there's three different ones, right? Okay, we got a white, we got a ground, and we got a hot. This is the fucker that'll fuck you up. Don't touch this fucker if you touch another shit or you'll get fucked up. Okay? If you touch this one and that one, bam, it's gonna blow your shit up. If you touch this one, you might not get shocked. Who knows? You touch these two fuckers, bam, you're fucked, okay? So let's do this shit right here. This is an outlet. Look, it's light side, it's dark side, whatever. So brass goes to hot, black. White goes to neutral, green goes to ground, okay? So let's say this shit's hot. We don't know. Let's always work on it like it's fucking hot, like it's gonna kill us. This shit wants to kill us. You gonna let it? No. Okay, so see this black right here? This could be the hot. So I'm gonna do it not like they tell you to do it. So, but I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna put this shit on here, right here. Bam, I made a nice little loop. I made the loop because I've made it separate. Boom, so that ain't working too well. So look at that. Nice and beautiful. Take this other screw, put it in. Don't touch your screwdriver. This shit right here, that's fucking hot. That's what you gotta watch out for. Now that's all we gotta watch out for. So I'm gonna turn it over. I ain't gonna fuck with that other side. Don't fuck with that other side. This shit's hot. Well, it could be. Who knows if it is or not? You never know. You can't tell unless you use an instrument or a tool. Then you can tell. You always work on it like it's hot. Tighten this fucker right here. This is the explicit version, you know? Explicit version for the adults and shit. And still don't touch that fucker. That fucker will hit you. So hold it by the ground. It's not grounded yet. Let's ground that fucker. Take this right here. Bam, loop it. There we go. Who knows if this fucker's hot? Is it hot? Shit, it could be. Might as well work like it is. There you go. That's the hot one. Don't touch that one. Try not to work with two hands. I'm gonna kind of tuck these things. Hopefully they're not scratched. Hopefully there's not a cut in it. I would get zapped right then. Shit's invisible, man. It'll jump right out at you. Touch the ground, line up the screws, tighten that thing up. You wanna see how I tighten it up? All right, fine, I'll show you. You just fucking put this screw right here and you fucking line this shit up. Don't put it all the way in yet. You still got another screw. Bless it, man. All right, then put it up right here. Don't run it all the way into the wall, man. You still gotta get a fucking plate cover on that shit. All right, let's get it almost there. Oh, that's reverse. Who's doing reverse? Yeah, just kind of ease it in. Bam, you wanna see a plate cover? This is a plate cover. Don't turn it too tight, you break that shit. Put this shit right there. 10-in-1's the best thing right there. You fucking take the screw, turn. Oh shit, there it goes. Let's try it again. It's fucking hot in here. Why don't they fucking put insulation in these houses? The roof's fucking hot as all shit, man. All right, there we go. Don't fucking tell your kids to talk like this. These are adult sentence enhancers. And that's how we explicitly do an outlet without getting fucking shocked. Have a great day. Subscribe, like, and all that shit.